I will divide it. It will make it easy for you to understand. Don't cut it all through. Just make a mark so you know exactly where to stop. And then I go to the oyster, put my knife in, go through the joint slowly and keep on pulling. Keep on pulling till the time you have the leg. Okay, so we have 2 legs, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a small little pressure on it, and this flat bone is going to come up. That's it. Done. And the cartilage. So you can see we have both the breasts along with both the legs. So these are 2 major parts. Some salt, some white pepper. I have some Worcestershire sauce here, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I have some crushed pepper, a little bit of crushed pepper. I have carrots and I have some leeks and some celery which I have cut into slightly bigger quarters, and I have some garlic. Okay, I'm going to mix all this together. And now I'm going to put a little bit of thyme in here. Just a little bit of thyme. Little bit more. Okay, so just to give that flavor profile to this marination. Chicken goes in. What I'm going to do now is, at this stage when the chicken goes into the marination, I'm going to preheat my oven on convection at 180 degrees. Mushrooms and the onions for the coconut. So you just cut the mushrooms into 4 quarters. Not too much, just remove the stalk a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2. And as I removed the skin from the shallots, and we have just kind of sauteed them. I'm going to give it some color much later. Okay, so this is just some sauteed shallots for the coconut. Normally this marination would be 3-4 hours, even 2 hours, 3 hours. The more you marinate, the easier you can cook the chicken, and keep it in a separate pan. So this I'm keeping on the side, we will use it, but before that this will still be used. I'm going to start cooking this. I'll put it on another induction at a medium hot. I need to reduce it, medium hot temperature, and I need this to simmer. I'll bring it to a boil and then I will simmer it. Okay, at this stage I'm going to see whether I got a good golden color. I can do a little bit more. And just a little bit of the oil. Good color. I am adding some whole pods of garlic. I am adding some onion here. And I am adding the carrot and the mirepoix that I used earlier, which I have taken out of the wine, which has some herbs, because there will be some protein accumulation on top from the chicken. And I have the chicken getting browned here. I'm going to put it into the oven for next 20-25 odd minutes. I'll caramelize this a little bit. I'm just putting a little bit more herbs in. Reduce the heat and so I wish you could see the browning of the mushrooms. The mushrooms have started browning. Okay, no more impurities here. I'm going to add this red wine into the pan, increasing the temperature, and I am waiting for this to reduce. The mashed potato like this. 1 piece of breast and 1 drumstick together. I will first take in the mushrooms and the bacon and the shallots and put them here. Some mushrooms here.